wish I had long nails. But I can't wait for them to grow. Oh! I know! This makeup brush will help. Remove some of the hairs from the brush. Then place them on your fingernails. Apply clear nail polish to the hairs, shaping them into a point. Smooth and buff them out. Then apply another coat of nail polish. Wow, these look amazing!
Hey Gina! Check out my fit! Cute, right? Yeah, super nice. Anyway, I worked up an appetite working here. So, any fun gossip? Yeah! Oh my gosh! Look at this purse! And this one too! Oh no! Not my skirt! I'm covered in tea! How could you be so clumsy? Sorry! Let me help! Ugh, I'm just a butterfingers today! Here? What? Thanks, I guess. Hold on. I know! What? Give me your skirt. Okay, if you insist. Now watch the magic. Put it in a bowl with a bunch of tea bags. Then pour in boiling hot water. See the color coming out of them? Make sure it's fully submerged. And set it aside for a day. Then you've got a new skirt! What do you think? Here! It's even cuter than before! Whoa. Who's that gorgeous goddess? I'm going in. Whoa! Oh no! Whoa. Now that's a twist. Hello? Ugh, whatever. Hello? Come on in. You do magic spells, right? Well, what? Can you help me? A party? Says it's for unicorns only. I guess. One day you were a human born, but now you're a creature with a horn. Cool! Wait, this doesn't feel real. Fine. Unicornius? Turnius. Wait, what happened to my head? This is too much! So picky. Here, take this! What's special about this? Stay calm. Maybe makeup magic is more your style. Catch my drift? Now we're talking! And first, we've gotta play with texture a bit. At least on the forehead anyway. Yep, we're making a horn, people. Here's where the magic really happens. It should stick right on it. And now it's time for the rest of the look. Some blue eyes will be cute. Easy, easy. Perfect! Now for the pink. Just brush it along the bottom of your brow. Then fill in the rest. Gotta make sure the rest matches. Contouring with pink is fabulous. Just make sure to blend. See how it all comes together? But don't forget about the lips. A fun blue hue is perfect. See? Choo! Whoa! Now I'm a real unicorn goddess! All the little details bring it together. Every bit of sparkle counts. Time to get going! Whoa! Your makeup magic really worked! It's a real gift. Have fun at your little shindig. Bye! Toodles. Finally, I can start on my new book. What about me? Nothing like new clothes. Makes you feel like a whole new person. But these old things can get tricky. No! See what I mean? Now what? Good thing I have another pair. Let's try this again, shall we? Easy. Easy. Ugh. No! Am I bad luck or something? What about this pair? Ding ding ding! We have a winner! Ew! What's wrong with you, nails? Gah! I give up! What about these old things? No way! Ugh! Already a no! These holes are huge! Me likey! Anyway… Let's stash and go. What else is around here? Fresh flowers? Perfect to give to my sweetheart. Just look at that gorgeous face. Mine! These people must be rich. Uh-oh. I'm not alone. What's with all the tears? My tights keep tearing because of these stupid nails! What? I've got a perfectly good pair. See? All yours. But my fingers! Wear gloves then. Catch! Gloves! Of course! Thanks! Hey! No runs! They're going on super smooth! I can even pull them up, see? Thanks! Don't my legs look fabulous? This Robert knows his stuff. You know what? These are almost as pretty as you. Thank you. Wait a minute. Uh-oh. Time to go! Get back here!
Ah, my life's work is almost complete. I just need to mix these liquids.
I love coming to work with Daddy. He's so funny. This looks just like him. Although, the hair needs to be crazier.
Now for the tricky part. This is where it can all go wrong.
It's almost done. Oh no! I broke my pen! Daddy!
Not now, I'm trying to be a mad scientist. Aw, what happened to your pen? I have an idea, and that's a conveniently placed light bulb. Science can fix this. This will be my greatest experiment yet. It's done! Ow! Wow, that's hot. This is a job for Robo-Hand. Steady.
Ooh, this is tense. So pretty.
Let's go on a trip.
For real?
I love this thing. Ready, sweetie? Jump through! Come on! Where are we?
Look at all the horses.
Ah! Look at those freaks! Help! Aha! Just what I need. I'll grab it and we can bail. Let's get out of here. Oh! I'll take that. We made it!
I love our trips together.
Okay, let's get to work. Hand me the ink cartridge. Ah, wonderful. I'll place the ink cartridge into this plastic mold. Then I'll pour over the alien epoxy resin. I need to make sure I cover the ink cartridge. Now to add some sparkle. Now I need to let it set. I'll remove it from the mold. The perfect pen!
It's the best pen ever! Now I can finish my drawing.